It's a good morning, pa. Ani ede mawo. But you see, what say yebo ebony nyomo on DWASO NSEM no paya. We have tears in our eyes. Exactly 1 year near. And no petutu to say. Na ni usabase ebony ahomache no. Omonam techima kwanso isunya kwanso ba. Ama kwenshaba besi amwawu. Yes, enya no creda. Yes, there be the way we refuse it in Jesus' name. Yeah, can by an no passe eko ben no what chibremu. Na it was confirmed sampa indeed. Ababa was so no an impokyo so just young life has just been snapped from this earth. Just like that. Snapped just like that. And the abone abusia for ne ma me ne papa ni nua no. Ene Ghana for anamodono. Enu omo anamudi nachi. People who were intrigued by her, those who were concerned by her, whatever. Munyina ye mamu yako ate. Onyakopon koso mfa ne ntwiri ne kuku. No one hwe ne so. We are not judges of anybody's character or anybody's life. Said the mebusam woman on Proverbs so canon. Enipa that's in we look at people's faces, but the Lord Almighty who judges all of us looks at onipa koma. Entima ye nya da se ye behwe nipa nim. Nye bu na tensa asomasi anaso obenten woye anaso onye. Enti eboni ene Ghana fo nyina. This is one of the youngest bloods, youngest souls of free more, shocking the entire nation. And with just about a year or so career in the music industry, the girl we hear any impact. And a bonnet cry said a was so far. And the abony Nana Hima Daboko, what is the dean? And said the Ecclesiastes and also Senkafo Macano. Unipa, a was as is what we yesterday. Yet, Yasia, yenim say, a comedy, yenim say, Wah. And can be any who you a Jew and Yanko Point Tradian Ponanca so Mount Quano. Abonida, Daboko, what it? Daboko. Rough time records. Really speak. My snitch. I hate you so much right now. 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 One day you will know. These are the words of my mother. As I'm getting old, even now I remember. So I'm packing on my tools. I'm going back at home. A young girl like me shouldn't be caught with a no school fool. He told me he was a banker, no knowing bank robber. This man is a gangster, bukum bankum boxer. Oh sorry I no pa, but I'm boy. It drew we are, shock and ganjanko. Now he beats me every night and day. Mama Shay used to want me, but I didn't wanna know. Mama Shay, Mama Show, Mama Shay, Mama Show, Mama Shay, Mama Show. Junior Quano de me. Now picking no day here, Mama. Picking no day here, Papa. And then Quada Yaba. Social media neda. Better than I have Papa. Better than I know Papa. Nancy Wakodana would dear who Kotania was here. He told me he was a banker, no knowing bank robber. This man is a gangster, bukum bankum boxer. I'm sorry I no pa, but I'm bobo dambo. A dream we are, shaka neganjanko. Now he beats me every night and day. Mama Shay used to want me, but I didn't want to know. Mama Shay. Mama show, Mama show, Mama show, Mama show, Mama show. Junior Quano de me. I hate you so much right now. 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 One day you will know. These are the words of my mother. As I'm getting old, even now I remember. So I'm packing on my tools. I'm going back at home. A young girl like me shouldn't be caught with a no school fool. He told me he was a banker, no knowing bank robber. This man is a gangster, bukum bankum boxer. Now he beats me every night and day. Mama. Rough time records. Really speaks. My snitch. These are the words of my mother as I'm getting old. Even now I remember, so I'm packing all my tools. I'm going back out.
And the song in the background is Ever Almighty. Just the undeniable. The girl we miss so much. The girl a lot of people hated. Baby Mpeo. Baby Mpenasem. And I eat a power it's kind. I a fable tan she okwe. Near fable tan she mini obabo to it. Ebony Yakopon and Fao NCA. There can be only one and only Ebony. Only one. And never paka and say Ebony. Ebony. There can be only one Anahima. It's an ope who enjoy a Ebony Yumna. Now I kaya sembaku chim that it is not our business to judge. And ye Juma see a bebuatain. Sa a Juma na yo trade upon Yankopon neba Yesu Christo dia. And a Matthew Castle be dividing it into sheep and goats. No Yankopon actually or ye any do on ye. What the answer be a bit me intent. Leave the rest to God.
Told me he was a banker.
Ebony, Biani obeti me atonyum se what is
gangster.
And I am mother boko. Anopedia is a roll call of those who have left us. Inti enu abema Ahmed Hussein Swali so eko. And then Central for Ghana Journalists Association kind of press center. Ame Swali so Nyankopon emfano NCA. Yaba ni yebekro. One thing that the Bible assures us, it is appointed unto man to die. And the biani ya wa unim se adia bakon inevitable. And it is the path of death. But to be corner and a assembly. But in your name says, Paul kind, whether we live or die, we live and die for Christ. And to a 1 year who more beautiful we will all go and stand before the Lord for his judgment. And open yourself trading upon Yankopon so one show, so now one share and one day mount. Only my dear back web one when you oranges, a kutu anka. One no more betty me because I near maybe one my friend a flavonoids. Nasa flavonoids near chemical be on Yankopon and case free heaven. Our bonadia will eat in true no more do you or the shame. I just say what alpha ni beta carotenes and also so bois ammonia what dia de bi so wo me friend lutein hwe kutu anka ba ko no anka ba ko e wo mu etumi boa ma unya bibi ade mucous membranes no e boa no na sa mucous membranes no do no wani nkosua ni mu enti the more obedi anka no na e boa mo ani so e clear vitamins ne antioxidants na wo mu nyina no boa Emma de bia wani da ho clear enti anwumrem papa tabafo ade ba ko na ye ho adwuma pa obedidi awie ne atwitwa oranges anka kakra ne de ama no owie ya no wadi emma no aba no ye serve amien fa no nka ho emma no watumi ko jare ko twitwa de opapa mu for no wadi ba ko at least before bed ebeboa wo we a health benefits idea bro emfa anka ho Bella ointment and ope bibi amede bi asha me na ho saa ma ne wa utumi se me na wa smooth me target nse menya bi wa na no so dia fa ho me ejira opoti vim wo mu no Bella ointment and una many sansan bia be ye wo no wo de ya ekum no prekope pimples so a ekro eyam ekra yi wo mu kosku wo mu didi agro wanwem ne natie mu na yi ni nyina for Bella ointment uko pharmacy shop bia benye bi pass venture say other pharmacy shops uko kan chi kra de be bro ko suhum na ko 20k pharmacy ko for dia gapsen kra won more be bia obedru bia 0200 228040 0200 228040 Bella ointment, beautiful skin, beautiful family. Enkra no papa obamio obia benya ready etiapo ya dapo na poso ene bebro but unim say birthday dedication bia unim say Adom de aye krado aye de be ma e wo DWASO NSEM medie so wa betimi afre na fe wa your birthday dedication later on no pay ye de ayi na bebro corruption watch and so de obetin nsema kese a ni nyina obeti ensemu wo coach sapon no pay ye chia wo zo utie pa DWASO NSEM sanso ena brake uzu utie da se pa say o de radio no ato Adom 106.3 FM lawyer Oscar Nro Nyankopon shower no pay ni say de utie ye Akontajo anope good morning kese pa ma oni nkra ni nyina wo do mo kosu yi enti ye chia mo na ye chese ye de napo so eso eto am so nim se ABY ene wo sofo ba ko pe eyi nana ajeyi wo brempon be ma tintin gram mo enwi adwa no wo ba utum se bra nie kapo wo chiapo se uhunu ba bi adwane cause wono no ne vim no a wokuta ne nya small ene wo de na wo ni nua ba bi wa wo mo tra se dia utum se mo vim ene wo mo de ba anope good morning.
Good morning.
So for
yeah.
Your description is vivid.
It's vivid, yeah. It's vivid, yeah.
Happy yourself.
Happy yourself. No. Everywhere, yeah. My boss be Francis AJ. No, say if you don't say I am, nobody will say thou art.
No.
And 2 to 1 man one will be say I am. And na for you no put the photo be by and cry or mu selfie on the
Mpaboa.
Chalo at here. Charote dada o.
Felisa wo traffic.
Look, selfie is a state of mind.
Yes.
And the happiness is a state of mind. TikTok a state of mind.
Also what?
Yes.
Lovely.
Reverend Prince ya aferi minta o ye youth pastor or restoration center Bekala Pass so for Nyankopon hya ma Afrisha pass wa kwa ma finance aba beto Reverend Prince ya aferi minta youth pastor or restoration center Bekala Pass Nyankopon hya pa na wonye o kese event Oforia manfo Ministry of Foreign Affairs and regional integration also Nyankopon hya no wonye o gam wama mo vema hoden kwa ne hia wonye o 10 gram onwie adwa wo se so for de bi woti ase wo na mo ha nipa adwane ho musuro on say yes wo na aba no enti yantoa ensem no eso na yefa napo so no enwom
yemi aba boni wo yi na kai mensem na eniema mienu na na besimitim wunso ofiri mu afinie na efiada se ya o fiada se ya no pa na efiada pepepepe se ya na Ghana yenya atwem suban
asi
ye say wo omo a condemn ye na akura be say ye ma and wo be say ye na no and be ye den no and na wo hu kwanye e fa so adane ya no aka ye nsem na woni mafia me da me de ne say ye wo musicians akese wo mayimu ye wo nipa Ghana de a yenya de wo ho e wo ne ye ka ne say mentorship ye wo bi mu omo maduranimu e wo ne omo ye mu se hu se nipa no afi wo
e music mu keke
enu na me ka say baby a enu nti wo baby a waduru na bi a watu anamo be edu afi na nipa no fefa a wa hya ase no onim ne ma bi enti wo de ne say wutumi fa ne say we me de na ye ne ba me ba me pese ni bibia wo ye no enti say wo mani hu say wo ye me ba wo hia bibia abra me ho nipa ne ye bibia oni so me maami we hwa me papa we hwa me
obetume fo be mama kwa
enti enkwala no afe ni wo mo fefe adwumtuo mu adwuma bia mu no wo ye pani na hu mfonso wo ne ho a wo frɛ no wo correct mistakes no wo fa ne ye wo ba nye se bia akogina ba bi no aka se an ene wo yese no ese wo bia no akoda wo dem esa nipa no be feel say o didi matem
na se eboni na kasa ye na nyom okan o se first ye kwa ye frɛ no a ye mfrɛ no nobody cared about him say Instagram video bi okay say confirm or start your obi kra na ye a penifo bi obi emu no and that's the reality and I make us say bi wanye enyum to mu nko a sinio doctor for one for business for obi amwa unya be yi obi pe na minim no na me say na komo ade we bi wa hwan na bo aho
afia so wonim say akwala na chede no no ne de ne ye hronku ye wo bi mu a ye niema a ye yemu no obi wo no ma naturally ye de wo no obi so wo a osua no wahu na obi so wo no mo try akra wo hu eti ne wo mu ne sa akwala wo edie no omo ye so we wo mu ani de aba ebony look alike ebony sing alike ebony dance alike obi enu wa like bi
no because you see entias yes Nyankopon wo boni pa unique and distinct
enu na se nipa ni hu
umetimi ase obi
nipa ni hu no capitalize on sa de sronko na wo ne ho no no ye ni ya sronko no de nam enti afia na edikan na to so mienu wan kwan no a ababa ni wu wo no ye mpanimfo ye se ye be ye kwan wo de na ye reporter se wo tie adwam on be my report you go know
I say ya kwan no a
on be my report
o beti no ne o kan ye nya atwom no asem ne ba ne
minister kasa
ye bebre na ye ko gym ne ade 2 days na ujai o mtina ti ave
o ko gym fa me kan we ho hwe woni sa bre na do ka say ye the time National Road Safety Commission nkrofo bi ye de nhye bi ba to cure road accidents. Scanograma.
Lord have mercy. Na poso abusia for Bayport Savings and Loans. Wam no mo targeted savings accounts pa de ma wo no waboa mo adwuma no atimi akonka. So on say de yi wo ifo no a wo mo Africa dam fo mbeji nkofo di ye na frim na mo ne nkofo nyina wo mafrim. Bayport na adu sika kwa wo mbesa mo abosia na say wo mo ya MTN users no ade nya utimi taxi no mo asset account de ama na fe unya momo yi bia na ade ba betum City Core smartphones any phones de Second Kings Real Estate Company Limited the assassia man Sony problem beer in Feco Start Spray. You just look sharp and latex foam and your partner for life. Oh that the obedient padia magana and yet the obedient money at the abese kakrano agana wana ye hunu Army Scientific Clinic allow shafi you any reserve workers here pa Lily sunflower oil. Tasty food and tasty family. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? Tabia herbal mixture, true and authentic herbal medicine. Wa madam ana no pay. Ya na poso ebrewa yenya de eni enu mo nsa mama mo. Ya say de ebony ni wo ba ye ne say de ka se be ne ma bia besi na yenye ye nkona Brema Yusuf Abubakar ewo after 2 radio na yenhwe na won kire ye sesi ano eboni die baabi onya akwahia no sen na hotie sen na ABY ebusa sa akwahye no Brema Yusuf, good morning anope
afia mejoso
se ho ye de
ya me ada ma ye ho ye
do twedi ampo ase pa ugina baabi a eboni accident no esi no
ya afia megina hope
ana mpacho die na hunu
yo afia mema ye tiefo nyina akwaba na anope na medase sanse ne eyare hoda mami ankasa bigina hayi enura me ko ho na no pe masamba na ye hyase anyem se efe ene ne pepepe na ye nuaba eboni ebenya nkwahia wo bia bigina sabiri na ofrimu na afia meka kan biem se Ghana mpanifo sanse ntwerefo ye Ghana ha omoteke serious sanse o ka asem no a ye ntie kopem se BBC ansa na o mafa ne serious kwan we ohwe obi onim sa kwantempo we so no ufiri bechem na wo besena kokumase ya kakakra bi ama waduru kura friends nyame ba kire no wotira nyame ba kire kakra bi konsuta hona sa amena we ewo ama yehu ka ho asem se de amena no ka mako 17 na betumu a da bia na ka na bebo na amanfo brada ka na bebo na amanfo pra ama bi kura firimu ewuye enti yakotwe na wohwe se de na kwan na se because na wana koda ne one way because amena no gata na bu ase na ba beduru one side no enti ana ho so ya sharp curve ana ya highway enti ka ba wani beba ho an se fo fresh yawo ekopem se ka ho asem mo ye so mba be ya mo de anwea begu ho some months achi enti ba ko no akata ene se yenu aba no sada no ode be yen kwahia enti ya kan ye e ma sada no kwa report a me ye wo other stations no me ka to so say sa kwan we dis panini bi aba be free so ansa na panini fa aba be kwan we
enti enti me ya pese ode ya ba enne na no de ende si atwam sesi anope wugina hoi anwea no na egu na na makwan na one way no sa na ti ana
afia abia ya rehosem kwan na se etama nkwanhia ni si last year no ene omo hya se so omo ye kwan no ene ameno kasa ru beduru ha kwan no ba bi omo ye no asa wawai ya esi amena hya se etu ho na kasa no wi ana ho yinsu enti ese kwan no omo ye de omo de anwea ne ye all right but ahya se ya say
enti na je se kwan no omo ye no kota na omo ye omo ye no kota na
omo ye no kota se de ya na omo ye portals omo ye enu bia na omo ye nanso so no asa etutu
anaje so omanye kwan ni nyina na ba bia na anwea ne gupe no mbete
hope ba bia na amena na da na hope no mo ye ne sa some portals na na wo ho no e no mo ye sa bri no ahia se ya esen tutu
enti pacho chere sen na ye friends and drivers ne drive ya wo mo so every portal na sen na portal no affect say de nkofo di akone eba e kwan no so
seriously speaking me say asem na si ho no ama adaba fo ni nyina na say obi ehu nti omuduru ho ne dia say obi ato no because ho na very sharp curve and I said amena nti because o kodoje amena bi pe o de akwakohia ka foforo nti omuduru ho dia say ento wase wan kono boko na woni mi kwan so dia o ya say bia wo doje pot o doje o de ko the other way no also so car akubu kefo ana oni wahia enti adawafo no mu kwa so de muduru a abotre no mode ko omo enim so de ne ebegigir wa hwe na so de kwa kwahia fofo enti sa na mo tabe wo sisi
na ba cho si enim se na eboni aba abusuafie a no o free wa wo bankran na asemi ko si yi wonya kwa akọ abusuafo na wate se de eya afidei enkrofo esu wonpotem abusuafo na nkasa wonya bi
afia me dase na me kana kama se me no me de eboni wo hwa na chi efiri be chim krodia ma hana o maame mu nyina efiri na o maame akasa na net sunwa nti ehwe bre wuye na aye nu yo no abusuafo tena abusuafie ama awerho na ekoso na be chim krodia ma hade na che se nipa wo ha nyina no awerho na ewo nti minim se na ekoso ba fomo a abusua betena se na ne wo fa abusua panyin aye misa awro last year meneno ana ekọ machiri ho ayekọhwe akwada no ekọ nyina nti wahye ebo se yedumi no kase bonum dia abusua beye ne nyina no wode beto adoma femfo anim
enti ane esesi yi na sunyanfo ne ade wo motinka wo makai po se ene ye yi afida pepepe
afia ebo ne de na oye branfo yansoma ba akopɛ enti sabi akorakora o hye yefunu no na chese ne obi akọ especially ne nyoma amehwe no ana moto na nti babia na chese ne ani bre na wo hu boys ni bi kro ma hya ase hye tuntum ni ade enti babia befa bia na nwom no mo bo nti ane de afinhia na ne de ye kai papa ya babia otimi se koso den
you see Nyankopon sha wate na aka kwan wasem so ye bompa ye so won ba be poto no sanse sabe nipa bi ankwan ye nipa so ho ye nkwan Onyankopon esombo ma no pa enti ye mabidi ye mechen bi se obi wu ye de abeye e wo se ye no obi anam kwan no so a wo ye safe enti ya da se Yusuf ye no ase papa ye nua be ma ye very ma Yusuf Abubakar wo radio after 2 radio won na de amane ye fa kwan no a ekokum meboni ene yi nadamfo ene posini ba driver and a sojeni just a nippon line just left this world just like that. Yeah, campo ya etaka boni but she sojeni kwa fast wo wi just serious na driver ndi Nyankopon sha no se wono de wonya ne ti didi mu na wan free mu na sojeni de ya ukoye adwuma o na franka just wono so de ya pa young lady fi abrochire kra ba betna Ghana na waba behia akohia sabusuafo nyina ye mamo hyeden Nyankopon no anim se obecheche more ama de obehye mumu no bechen de mahwere no ekora na so nipa de wo ya ne den unya fofora wote se nipa no ada nti na pon na poso ye nkoda obon krata ne ba baba bebo mamembo ebony voices no kra ye ne voices ni bia ya kan bom ni ade a wa wote a ubon se he chekrama empro kra.
One day you will know these are the words of my mother.
Ababa wa Priscilla Opoku Kwaten eye danso ene afro pop nyumtunia waje din wo mayimu pa edi anadodo na ade nim no eye ebony rings nemum wo ma no mo ben no se abusua ene ayonkonom ne de na wo frɛ no nana hema afiapem ahankono aduokono enson 1997 ena ne papa Nana Poku Kwaten ene ne maame Beatrice Opon Martin ewu no ba atiasefo asase so wo share no ngomesuase was 7 Great Princess Academy Dansoman enwachi oko Methodist Girls High School manfe puye mantemu nanso akwantimfi enwujai ngomesua no esanse na nani swade hu nyina ne se
when I was about going to my 3rd year, I've always wanted to do music. Right about that time, I knew it was the perfect time for me to pursue it. My dad is like my very best friend. I sat him down and I'm like, school in the but this moment, I want to focus on music.
Emuwa, enwadishia penyimpa, ono ne da Rough Town Records ano. Ricky Nanajamai, dodo na friend se Bullet. Emma Bullet eye na adwen se wo baboa no onwum to mu enfie mpino ene dunum ebony de nwoma ye friends dance floor ebai enwum igidin pa Emma enya abasobode and song category 2016 Ghana Music Awards Africa na emu ebony de nwoma ye friends se coupe enso bai Eche what the nyumbi to say poison sponsor Hustler, date your father.
If you break my heart, I go date your father.
Ma mehwe any haters anthem ebai. Enyum yi nyina baji din. Ema Ebony enya abasobode bebre. Enfiem pinu ne dunsia. Ebony enya Video Discovery Award, ewo Base Awards. Sanso no nya Jigwe Awards, Discovery of the Year. Enfiem pinu ne dunson. Ebony enya Favorite Female Musician, ewo People's Celebrity Awards. Ena Unsung Artist of the Year, ewo Vodafone Ghana Music Awards. Na Ghana phobia ni nye Ebony said you si shentade nketenkete ene eto de bia ojina stage so ade wo ye ho Ebony de no hu ni say eye na dwuma na wo ye.
I don't see myself regretting anything I'm doing right now because it's all part of the work.
Emu ha no asofo bi ba monten ebe hyenkom se omahu owo ewo Ebony ho na so anhwe ni ye a wo ba hwere ne nkwa emu ba ko and also for Nigel Gazy.
That singer called Ebony. She had a short life. I saw her having a fatal lorry accident. If she does not change her way, it will come to pass. She will die like the way Susan William died.
Enfiem pinu ne dunwotwe. February bosome ne da ne toso nwotwe. Ghana yanti asem de. Ebony ene na yonko no mienu. Frankie Kuri ene Achuvondi anu ono woko nakrana ekunya kan kwanhia ewusunwane ene kumase kwantempom ekowiase no wo hwe won kwan oman Ghana etai din Asemisi no police penyimpa wada ahafo no South Police Adom na no Superintendent John Edusai ene Central Fort Twetwe nkomo ekire mu DC
no a enyimre no be dubakun enye fano ena nyanti eto azembesti o na me beche ye no wo infuta no so ka ko between kwanta private car bi ni VIP bus ya so private car nipa 9 na ewe insa efrimu na ba kon so operative responsibility make them know that between kwanta hospital ndi mo me no mo de mo ti do mo ba mankanso no o mo shi wa bi number abesha ni
na ne maame bitwiso Paul Martins de emra wote ne bani wu no obatan wo gi ne ho ba bia na enyeyi
na me da ho akwa ne frame na me da abe bompai ma ne pano na first time ya na me mreki already for first day so je me da ikwa no na me da ho na me da ho na me di na me pano because the door so na me da me friend was mad I was happy to see me miss me na me ni so ha me wa because na baby abi bompai ya do no because
ansa akwanhia ni bisino na Ebony ene Osofo Lawrence Tete akwakodi nhyiamu arewusam isi yechi Osofo Lawrence Tete eba abonti bekire mu se wo hia Ebony ene sade wusine na twetwe nkomo no wo hu ni se wode ne ho ma Kristo ansa na ofri atiasefo asase yi so.
I've not known Ebony for 100 years, but the short time that I've known her, she has shown me that part of her life that made me realize she wanted a spiritual oversight. And so I take full responsibility over that spiritual oversight, and I want to stand with the relationship we have. I believe her soul is resting in peace.
Video bi epie montia e share Ghana de share bufu pa. Video ni mu no Mochirman a yesusu se ono nana eye Ebony emu ne ho adwuma na ososo emunimu a na nipa bi adwenye wo se wanfa buo a ma Ebony na mu no nanso Mochirman a ye dikọ adubo ni ebekire nsemu se na dwuma ena na wo ye
dwuma na meye na manko se me finga na na se bibiti sa me ka ababa ne bra me bre ho pa na kwa me fa so you say public figure ni ti kwa me fa so pa me treat na dey fire and they be room there ya sama ya dem pa but ni na me je amenyame
March bosome ne da na toso aduonu nan emfie no ani dumotwe Ghana de hye nyina da emu nkwada ene mpanyini adehye ene abrempon amanyofo anyomtofo ene adehye aka edi wodo ebo Ebony ebusuamu ema ye pen no kwabre enu achi ye dotiye ma Ebony Rains ewo forecourt of the State House.
Ade atia ni ayemja. Ade atia ni awerehwo. Ene de ya ti atenka bone, ene je ada ni awerehwo ne. Obi ana kira paye no.
Na asemwa na nipa bi ebisa ne se, Samria Ebony Nana Himani hui Ghana Music Awards obetumi anya abaso body ana. Na Charterhouse a won na Ghana Music Awards esi wona so eba montin bechi mu se ekoba se Ebony was abaso body a so ho so woni ho wode bema no April bosome ni mu emfie mpinu ne dunwotwe Ebony enya abaso body emiensa ewo Vodafone Ghana Music Awards. Onya album of the year, Afro Pop Song of the Year, Sanso and Artist of the Year.
Very well deserved. Consumers Award to Ebony.
We aye DWASO NSEM Jumedie na utie na Adom 106.3 FM anopay special remembrance for yenuanoma womuni ye hu bio ewo asase so it's still DWASO NSEM Jumedie on Adom 106.3 FM Vim Lady medium Yakopon asemete enkomu said obeye ye bia. We are grateful to God and then minu abakwa boache ye Adom wa osofo ayi da na je obrempon enso ewo hanum say ya ye nyina ye de nase ma Yakopon de besie bia Bible say adi nyina mu ne yemfa seda emo twedi amponyakropon enti Ebony o ameswale o mu nyina yeseso Yakopon fam nsie enti Ebony buno ofo ene ameswale so ni nuanom Tiger IPI nse twofo nyina anope special memorial so koso e International Press Center eda se de ukozu a utie Adom ede amai yento so na poso a tabe eba mecha Vodafone Lily Sunflower Oil Army Scientific Eba Latex Foam Feco Star Spray and Second Kings Real Estate City Core Smartphones and a Bayport Savings and Loans o madam yede ema munane adamas yenu abema obidum bie edukumiso ene ye narration nyina de ma ye anopay ewo eye DWASO NSEM Jumedie score to no boy research Ebony life ene ho nsem nyina no Sandy be a guy sister Sandy ye de be celebrate wate oya baba wa wote nkwam no ye be celebrate bio because ye ntena se emma nipa mfiri mu ansana ya be se do Ghana for de ye no sere kwa enso ye no dadi luma ntam kese enti anope ye nuaba Ebony Nana Hima ye Priscilla Kwatin enne busuafo ni nuaba ba ko a waka akire ni nuanom aka won chen ye money so DWASO NSEM Jumedie for Adom TV enne the entire multimedia group anope ye mamu nyina ya connection afi ure mfi da me papa wi 5 years atwam so still me koma me kai kra na me bodam edru saada no a one me kasa kra na me bodam ti Ebony anope ye bodam mama ayu wasu anope wasu pa say I miss you girl chese enka you apa de sa anyom na wo boy no chese ka you ade enka yi chese wo bo ma no pa ma me hwe no wo bo ma no pa you ade ne ma me abre no ho wa bre no ho pa ti Ebony Yakopon share so ma wa adwene papa na ni producers no ne ade Rough Town Records ne ade nyina so nya wa ke bia Ebony kran so wo nya lamlight na onya ye nti mu nyina ye mam yakop ma me mo ne nyom ne ba ko na yensan yento aso bi Ebony ne yeguso aye yidi ama no nti enyina ne ye kaka ye cause life no enye better sa o enye better Edi anope special one why Nana Hima Ebony Adom FM any multimedia nya ma shedding yes am ya akoso Yakopon chichi obi are any ye nua bema ameswale because we're doing it together anope ma mu nyina amon na poso ne de beto aso de ama mo this Sandy be a guy ubenyina che wate Ebony ubenyina che Yakopon man kwatenten ube che mo you refuse it 2019 wo bia bewu ayi apate ewu wo bia bewu atofuwo 2019 yes re wo Yakopon Adom ni nhira de mo bia from your papa kwasichum na no despite odi ni birthday enti wonu say yes Yakopon he papa we bia company kese ese ne wa penipa over 1,000 workers na politicians wo mne nam ho anoma wo mo sori abrofofo no mbeken politicians e Ghana why no offer over 1,000 workers enti despite Yakopon sha Akosutum Yakopon ma wa hoden ni sue nyansa. Solomon die ni bi o ma obi. Akoso ye ni sa. Napon na poso ne aduru so ne nto aso a ebi wa mahunu se okuta chronicle Chronicle do bokrata no. Ye fe no ehya ase na yedi eboni die na chebe suam ye tiate because wale die wo ho
we say one can say ye yida ye we da ho ntia ya be ho sem
na onim se ye nua be ma rafo so da ho da ya oh wa yare bre chese apatre
we nipa hodin we mu a
ye ni mo china
ya be ho sem enti enu sudu ho aye beye abusia yemfa di chronicle ensha se bo ne da ubonkrata na poso no emu na ne edikan yi efri bogatanga ene baaye Jalula ene troye William Jalula na William ne odi aba no asefem abantie kuma akora ya wadi mfie duba ko 11 years maso anyimbisa ewo kuroba ko a ewo bogatanga ye fe no Pobaga na Pobaga ne yese oba bi dware na maso akwatete honom so okohwe wo ba no adagya so charge ye de bo akwada 11 years no no esi ye kura na akwada ni nya 11 years abantie bi se wo ba bi dwade na maso akwatete honom enti wakofa petrol abehwie egu akwada no so atwagya tum ahye no na wohwe da ubonkrata mu akwada no anwu na so se ne wasi ahye no ne monam nyina ahyehye ma afini a ye hyehye maso no ne papa kire mu se akwada ni nwu ye so wo pro wohwe da ubonkrata mu a wo de abusua ne wo bia monkwato chronicle na monhwade na ubehu se akwada yi da ho no mu a ye de goso akyekyere ne hu nyina na ne papa na asem a wo kani wose wo abra asem ni siye no nipa kura wode petrol gu ne ba no so hye no ewo Pobaga ho no no wogi tumu so obehwe akwada nti hospital edikan wode ne kuko bia na wogiaye na free sabre ne beton ne no ewo ho no mo akwada no na ekuro nkakra akra wo no ho no pra na epro ya kyesa akwada ne ti ase so wo pro nti wosre se Ghana fo nom no Ose Ghana for na nom no mwa no
state institution bi eni ho was support system bia for bibisa
nafia se wo bi dwaye ne ase akwada etete ho no mu a eno kra proof bi ani mu ye de yi petrol ahye akwada no
ye pentem ye niema bi dodo
enti wunya chronicle ebi ewom foforo so ebo ha sei Isaac Akwete so edienie wo so manfo ye abonum wo akuapem late ese dia yamhyehyɛ na ato wo ene sen nipa bi ate asi akuapem late wo no mu a ese wudu funu chef mo a na omu so gina kire na omu tu grave looters ene ye so man invade late ya manfo funu wo mutu ni esika bo ho ni esika ni mu no ese so omutu funu no a na se acha enompe no na nkasa no ni eyi se ni tinka nkura ni eyi weyi a ni eyi maako eti na nanom info ne mpanimfo a akuapem late se wonum sra ban wonum sra prosifo wonum no womwa no ma group a wombetumi ahwe musie ye no so meboa won eji petrol team enkwa musie wonum anadwe nipa ada no mum petrol wonum saa na grave looters ne ba
wonum se bi wanye obi ana ye ya bibifo no ye bado we are just wicked ampo and I also for you are just wicked though because obi ewu kotufunu e de kom na dew ade ani bre ade sika
wo de ye de kura yo
mo de koye adro
omo de ye adro
omo de koye adro apeska
de ye na omo de ye adro
enompe no omo de kokanche omo nya nkoma de omo de koye na minim sika kura nipa ape na asase so
yo eni adwuma omo di ne ho no na nananom hemfo ye boda bon ene ya na Abubakar Mahama ye otoso mienu wo hemponi a wote da bon adwaso ya sabre wo hwa masumi akoso ene wode atodwa se Ghana mampani na na doda nkwa akufu ado aseda wo mode ma no osebabo masumi akoso da bon no wo munwie ye sesei adesade na wo mode tu investors wo Ghana China India ene baabia Pakistan wo mu sie da bon asumi aba ho eju nipa kro wo sika na peso obi adwuma one district one factory wo gibi one village one dam wo gibi ade a ye che dimpuntuo babia no say China for no mo say so my crowd so mo investment to omumra dabon no omumfa development me say to kwa bia ni hwasomwie
na story na kana kola na wa no joy har kra na ye no nra nti enu abema sorry and I did say you buy I'll be sorry. Why are they? And you'll be follow up. Follow up.
A modern increase you.
Serious. As I'm not
now only say a Bible come show the only Bible and come show
because we chop a trash in the passage.
Central region. I
reply we question.
I question.
We switch away.
Get into me until
me say no.
Free a granny and so bakusi bossy and also son stepmother. Was she a granny tone and now when I say ne mamma no tia wine or the Chianica.
It's serious.
Or the Chiama America.
Cruelty no.
Cruelty.
Say no sim says uncle for no aboni wo mutim sa no moya and once ye den kwatwum ne yesa me na aduane di ne ono orepu obi no a was yes was a she no wonu say castration na ebe ya no castrating
but everywhere yeah human rights so ho na be a prisoner of war
na no human left
no human left say no commit crime and nothing here man offense but it doesn't take away any human rights now no so wa nyakopon edi free so the man
enti ono ye no o se akura nde oni human rights or ne de ne ye left
o human right but nothing na ordinary prison no so to the initial prison that is the punishment but you are obedi the nyakopon di free so the man so entitled
at the point is akwala le sharia law no ye ene yi no obenyini na adi ntim dem nyame amwa no ntim mo bra papa
David
because trauma ne ne ade no it's bad they say by
but say the wakan no ka sharia law no ye show ne ya na kwa ye study
ne ha adwene say wan hwe ya na wrong person na kanya sa pa na hu no ne ahwehwem ne ehu say ye wono a oh
akora 11 years kora de obetete se mpo obetete ho ade no obehu
akora no kora mo show ne sa ne yesi akwala ne se nyon no omo aye no adwane chinchina a wose ono obi akoto ne petrol twam no wage petrol na hwie egu akora no so no watwa matches watum
eto ne bi kwa yere fi say ye ne e man kola ne sei no entity abone ye de man kola ne sei akora ne ye bibia blame no nya akora no wo a wotete no e den akora no hu say obi dwaye e kohwe no wo bata na ne free wotete ne yia Kobesa na we yamra o krata
yanko daily graphic mu ana wasi yache enipa nsia ameswari ne wo no ho a na we no yanche o man kwhyemsi akampo wo na emumwe no amo makwa kwotwotwo ma no asem ene amomo police inquiry bill say wo mo nkona ombedi akira ye omo ye suspect enrada ene no mpanifo question dey anointing pa suspicious na ACP Mr. David Crew ene wade nsem nyina to dwa kumase a wo chimchese ntide ho no na no dan chen rock ne dwa pon ene question yan tachi ne ye anasare me ya wanas nso ya momo ye krata so mo fele yes statement form ni bi so mo fele famra na wo nyina nso ka suspects ne ho a ene no krata no dia bento mo senya de se ombe bre e was investigation ombe koso ahwemu ana ni pako a omdi sa bone no omatime yoma ba mamra ene wo modi okrum ha ho nsem daily graphic e de ba petre na se ho petre ho ene o se IGP ayes san bebre wo police Adom no 122 officers ene ya reshuffle wo no mu a we say about 10 officers no national headquarters e de o makoko ko other regions no se wo no enye adwuma yema me Livia Texan DSP isi asat number 10 tema
Osa
Marine Ports and railway
Olivia Texan aso ko peacekeeping ani wasan be fi
ene afro bebre so na keka ho a reshuffle no eka wono mu akata and ba petre na yema me kono do Adjuma Rollins ne da former first lady no chese nsem bi nam newspapers nim radio TV so ne social media ne awade ese wono na keka na adwen de akere NDC amanyoku no ese dabre mame Lydia ayi ayo asu mami yonya MP for free Alhassan se nsem na course so bloody widow no ono si wadabra ka won kan hwe ito mo amudi abom newspaper mu headlines akese na kono do trashes NDC kono do bashes NDC no wose nya de se no kra ewu mu a wose headlines ni bi actually say wicked NDC is a threat to women freedom and another crowd Adjuma Rollins say we do sre yes so osro so obeka na emumwe die on kan enu nto mo de ye omo headlines ni de ade no omo hweso mbejai na wo entro do munim. Tiger Eye PR is a terrorist group kasinya ntachi no de atudwa wo chim santi na anase so be na no trese we no wo boa no na wa Christian ade no kama de ama no wo se ye corruption terrorism emu no ndo success wo de to so anka isan so omo do mo ye no obi oye no ho secretary ase ne pro ye wo nya no mo so nya na chi di dom betata wantie no na kwasinya ntachi mu so omo ye ISIS de ane omo ye ISIS de Macron akromfo ene wo mo omo wi oman sika anti o de ho nsem so de aba won de on tisimase kura say $400,000 eno no nya ntachi atamfo bi se da ko tua de ma anase ne team so omo mehwehwe na ase mu meche no na ye nyam pam ne free GF ho na we no kura nya investigation na ye terrorism no mo ye nti ehun sensem de say butcho na ha enra dance opposition parties atigu montren so mo ye protest against ensem okoso ewo ayowaso west wogon ene hun sensem ka ho no wo mo de ewo ha front page of the daily graphic ensem biblike ka ho no so ewo ha
ye ko heritage
ene fiemfa heritage ntoa so na heritage anim no afutu adabia yetuo no say Ghana mabunu mo fa eboa mo amfa so de ane ene efiri mu ba ena na heritage ade abetu dwen abantia ye achese na anu ayawaso weswagun na abatuo no woko bi so omo ana omo so omo ye NDC national security no we say nu obi nim so ka ho so no wonka ho ni atu ni tuo woni namu no ena da ubonkrata yi say ishahu yaro ne nan no ayebo ni tuo no a doctor for say nan na pro enan no gogwo me bam enju ombetwa omo so omo antwa eye niema mienu se ewo so omutwa ma ne ho dwono no oye akurobosini na ne nan no ba ko sense mbo no mo ana se ebe pura didimu akone nan so ra we ekure betumi aku no eti choose one choose your choice
what people do for politics.
Yes, choose your choice.
Now we say ya ma wiase musika nyina kra wo nan no emada
wa ware wa ha obi ba afi odi na nsini na ebe ware ebe da ye ma ho
oba no no de be de be
that is
eti no
and because you fan won't how to even adjust
or the be 5 years
adjust
or the be 5 years be adjust it to
hospital wa obeda oda no cry busuafo akọ ne aba mbe die cry
I think we did 37 years to our kwantwa eti da bonkrata yi say abantie no ye betwa ono nko ane na ye obi anka
asa
oh na ho
na ndisi ne MPP entwa obi anka ho ono nko ane de ne
sane ba ko no omutu nani na so ono nko ane ni no omutu ye eti ese wunipa kro woti kai woti si ebodo no nu aso na adimike yes demonstration ntimi so me ko bi
enti aden na omunhunu esabio omunhunu se politicians wo mbe na ye nkobu yi mo ire no mo ma we
what is a party chairman bi atwa nnan
what
is a president bi atwa nnan ye si e betwa ishahu nnan eti ne yada wono no
na abia we dey me interrupt by you yes ye twa oh it's good to say betwa nyasa no beto no asem lesson no you see sometimes you hear rigorous no more be say no be tira what dey nyansa so tira you twa obi nan na tina so be kwa akodi politicians
am ye twa nan it's up to you
of course
it's serious
omo politicians ni boni omudi ni dan chen se enye nanso woso a wo kwa ye use as a tool ye de be sa de na ewia ya to atwene no woso ujejireje na heritage kuro no mu ekwe wasem a wakan eye papa semrama ho kwan se electoral commission de ye adwuma ne be ye dia issue for liberty and policy innovation mpanimfo no mo say electoral commission mpanimfo nhwe na sese amanyokuo bi obeba electoral commission wonu mo say me be register 2020 elections ne yeso ye be kobi wo se nipa ne ba wo mo hwehwem so mo wo vigilante groups a yemba ne party no party bi a wo vigilante group bi a no ma yemma wo nyina e wo 2020 elections no mu bi we ya asem a ekoyi omode eto electoral commission mpanimfo anim na afia asem foforo so e wo ha sei ya chese se wo hwemu a tewufo se wo musika ntinka mu bi atete akam na omo de ne omo kan se so omo strike ase a nothing can stop them eti aba wo de omo ka tuansa na
tewufo no
say so almost strike the strike continues unabated. Almost say so almost the
education lectures now.
Almost almost the
1995. Almost grounded academic calendar a whole year.
Madam B. Oh, Jim, we are not going to stop.
Yo,
oh,
a banner member, no, I told you I won't choose Canocasade.
We cried almost negotiations in every area, as I said, the Nancy, and no matter than Teta Bansa, and Omuja Guma, will be to me stop home. Oh, can Yante Chessam, and I want to one Yante story. Now, Yante, or the Cobra, young minister, minister, at the minister is Rose minister, and so everybody should pay to on how to Nazania soon will be everybody should pay to own to first. 1 year to no kind of mammy, we are making whom your number. So he is one say, I'm a palm free parliament. And also, ever can you see to tones and as well. I say, he has a right to protest. You have a right to throw your hands. You have a right, that's your hands. It's your hands. You have a right to throw a dance. A cobra or the cobra and come once. I was waiting to hear a question and you say, Anas or a terrorist.
Long time. And I'm more teacher.
Yeah, that's it. You're not honorable can aiding come more about style and nas name call for investigations. And now yet to yabo aka and some be in that say what the India coba and say if I start to be corrected. Sika yeka say one for bottom sika extra ticket a high hotel man for be kuku Dubai. Days omudi wo home sika omudi be tra plane in and out hotel ticket na de nyina no e wo bottom say sika na ka ye di twa wo car e coba and say afi ye be twa hono be twa just say wo Jesus sika pudo no say bribe. You don't watch it, no, nothing. Watch it, send your only mobile face to face. Model homo use at the year investigation, or if you recall.
Oh, well, okay, some about first. Me, first statement, and I found I was our first statement, you know. Until I made the kind of pay a year. And church, you want me the first statement.
Okay.
And you know, when you say, oh no, I'm asking, I'm going to buy also take him or some to plan a memory set up. In future, at the end, a contract scheme. A idea almost said that thing will say, okay, I see my seat. Yes, I said, you didn't trust them. You better see again any matter. You better get setting it up. Indeed, I said, yeah, it will be. And see, we are made that when anybody call and I will share Abu Abdullah Lassa. I know chairman of the Northern Region Football Association. And no being drama and say, I don't know, shaky being a Juma will Dubai. Now, really go on. I want to Juma Bay and feel so name feel what it. Now, shaking no Sikapa, shaking no perfect. Or be investing in Ghana. Ura mama, your company that Ura mama, live me so, and all mobile Ghana send all mobile investment. After election, no fees, no, that's almost so. Now, almost sponsor Ghana Premier League. In the initial kind, and 10 degree, but 7-8 times, agenda no. And I back to a cat okay, I said, you push your shaking if I so share me by all means. And see, they call Okata over the tickets, better. And then normally about normally about after I say shaking, I said, may more the intra ticket, may I be ticket, may buy no matter funded the sit down. And see, maybe I made it for it. Yeah, I'm a child, and you get it when you try. First trip I make Dubai or Ahmed na me ko share na share odia also shake yare ntini ama or engagement or say tronco and I yet to share that. In the second trip me call before that opinion the members of me body politician or one of our neighboring countries. Ahmed, no, and no, next year, she will go into it. I'll pass all this near Buano, I will back to Omo. My opinion is to buy.
Videos any something there. Abubaba ain't can to me bo opinion di anasa de one. Is it upon we are assembly here? No. And you know. Okay,
yeah, president in my person now me boni.
Okay, what you possible?
Yeah. Nti almost only there. You share also on the Buano. You share Saturday and Opa. Nti also Tuesday. Almost inviting about Dubai. Almost the tickets about no to crime. Tickets Sunday, Monday. Do you now Ahmed do on the phone? Obi I know. Nti na say opini either say they cancel trip you and I saw the call and no insist they saw the call. See, or call Dubai or no me abu any assistant to be. When I'm a boy at Hoka and I almost the call it. Hotel I almost costing a Buju Arab. And we are the only service hotel I want to buy.
Wow.
So almost me and Sa they pay $5,000 times 5 days, $25,000. And almost air tickets are almost try another $26,000. Opinion and call for now 5 days. Yenya Ahmed, Yenya Sheikh, Yenya Pia, and almost time back to Ghana. Maybe she are sick, you know. The so-called Sheikh on Seiko. They are almost in the room. They are 30 cameras. But me cameras in Kwa, Mana, child photo. And I almost there hotel. I'm not no catch them. So I hotel me a Sheikh in India.
Wow.
We are India for hotel. Later, I mean, we are India for hotel. And almost 30 camera now. I'm not seeing the Juma phone, so another room. And I almost monitor near Costo. If you almost near Costo now. And I'm at the no accident anymore and no graph phone. If you phone, you have a phone call. Phone call, no. Now all my friends disappear. You wait. Proceedings in a cost or not almost directly necessary. I actively and Oma, your from text, no, almost a chain, almost prompted. Yes, see. So, what you know that almost without question now, oh, sorry, now, what's not throw back because when you're prompted, said this away, no more record. But what in fact, even in the Republic of Emirates or no, it is illegal to record anybody without his permission, criminal offense.
Yes.
And to say Ghana,
yes.
Ghana had the better say breach of your constitution. Or the no court. It would be for near jail for recording somebody without
their permission. Yeah.
Yes. Or no, I'm not report I saw on that actually you have to face those things and answer why you will be recording people in Dubai without their permission. Ghana Hama Obit Nias are free.
Okay.
And yet possible say Dubai are now all those kind of places with me. I started. Because we do Dubai airport to walk. Ahmed, any Abu Adom to be the Bishiami. And the members now can any and Abu Ahmed, CHA. And the letting now on the phone hair recorded, but later I mean, who in your hand. And I may call them hotel, them with them. And also not cameras, almost 30 cameras, now. I don't know who knows almost near Jim Papa. The idea, Nipano, Ellen, the Juma, who did bonnet, are watching. That's okay. Wouldn't me else to the party up was there? Only the bonnet, national. Sometimes only negotiate to say, oh, Omro, Tikadu, say, major assembly, when Chester Sikana. A Juma, or Nipa Debris, or recorded. now to meet you to car or pa. So I just case, you know. Don't meet you to car. So go to my photo.
Question
answer. You can't see that all you have there, or mine or don't see. Or mind.
Hello?
Business.
Yeah. Question answer. Were you actually asked for some amount of money from Anas or the Tiger PI for them to drop your videos?
Oh yes, I said it in my first statement.
How much?
They asked a lawyer who teaches in Legon. He knows him, he's his friend. He contacted me and asked me to pay $150,000. And I said I didn't have the money. And that's why all this hula baloo came about.
$150,000
US dollars.
Wow.
They were even demanding $400,000 US dollars because project now or a sponsored project. And Crawford or more DFA or more payment, they paid $400,000 for us to do that.
Wow.
Now, Fika or the mommy or Dubai, no. That money, he claims is $65,000. It has to be proven because I received $40,000, which was in $50 notes. 8 of that. Ocean's video now, you can count it. Or no, or cut a 55, all my denominations, they be a $1 note. They be a $2 note, they be a $5 note. On track.
Let's narrow this interview to why we are here right now. So let's say you being a victim of Anas and his group's style of work, you saw the late Ahmed with your eye, with your naked eyes.
I met him several times.
He
came to my house once.
When you met him, was he disguised or he was not covered?
You saw the way he dressed on the screen?
Yes.
Without a Muslim attire, the jalabia?
Yes.
Throughout my encounters with him, that is how he dressed every day. He wore different colors of the same design. So he came some days in blue, in some days in white, and in other colors. And when he comes, he's so jittery. In the moment he receives a call, when he's with you, within 1 hour, no, it doesn't take 1 hour. Maximum be at 30 minutes, 45 minutes.
He needs to be
will see about 10 to 20 calls. And then he has earphones. He has some wires connected inside the dress all over. But it never occurred to me on any single occasion that he was engaged in this espionage work.
But you really met with Ahmed, the late Ahmed. You saw him severally.
Not once.
Okay.
The first time I met him, we met at Coco Vanilla in Accra here.
Oh, okay.
And we met subsequently about 10 times. One occasion, Abu brought him to my house. Then I met him in Dubai on 2 different occasions. So I met him many times.
So possibly your CCTV cameras in your house probably could also capture him visiting you some way or somehow. But were you able to? Did you meet with Anas too?
Did I meet with who?
Did you ever meet Anas in the course of all these investigations?
No. You know, the kind of work he does, he behaves like ISIS. The ISIS team.
I get you.
You don't meet him. You meet only one person. I met only Ahmed. I never met Anas or any other person from his outfit. And then at the end of their so-called investigation, Anas and Tiger Eye claimed responsibility for the outcome of the investigation. You don't meet them. That's how they do their work. I never met him. Meanwhile, he claims that he did this, he did that, that he met me at Dubai airport. He did this.
So he was part of every movement.
It being a single occasion, not even for a second.
Interesting. Question, we would like to have a one-on-one with you.
Tiger Eye is a criminal organization. They don't have a license to do what they are doing. They are not licensed to do what they are doing.
Did you have any evidence to what you're saying?
One-ton breakages or infringements of the law, get bouncing on people's rights, recording them here and there and disgracing them here and there without recourse to any opportunity for them to be heard to defend themselves. Because if we even record somebody and you think he has done something wrong, hand him over to the relevant state organization to deal with him. But he will do a premiering to disgrace you first.
Okay.
So you are already condemned before you are even heard. You understand?
Now, why you just on send you media near the brown? Said I would hear an interview and I know quite any on my FM. And I shut that tree a full interview said about whom. When did they can cry, you're a cousin or Casa after several months of silence. Yet the son and say and walk Switzerland. The Okako, we don't know. Nancy Anna Kofie or Ghana, assembly by police for Freno and pass walk or Hoko statement. Nyantechi has not been officially arrested. He's been charged with the provisional charge of a fraud by false pretense. Inti, and when I police phone chair baby investigation aquacosie, and no one in your Bema Ahmed Hussein Swali, FMwa, Washin and police watchers so much in the past 6. There's no mention of Nyantechi in the number of people now. We are yet to hear the police for Becca in terms of NIPA 6, no, who they are and what is their connection to Owuono. Details in your police for the baby, but for now, said about Obete, the Ecosunity, and Yashada, Abonia Mani Natural, Cosinan Teja, say. Announce name for me or money to say ISIS, dangerous. But announce response or the Marcosinan Techin say, when we are ISIS against corruption, until them and Pendudo Bia will be very dream Katashana Proyano so they have no fear but to ISIS the person. It is still investigation court. We will not attempt to do the job of the police or the court. And to us napon naposwa and you go na a heritage muna ear one corruption watch but very very soon you wrap up a napon naposono maybe we paper no.
Ayo afia ye paper no anache say ensem yenu and ye di twatro e wo heritage mu na ye de afri mu na ye di ho e minister Rose minister some di twdwa say obi bia ministers no. So we minister so ye enwuma panimu a moka yatwe hu GV mudu ho no mo anu matwa mo se GV kire so te Ghana eti se o mbetu yato mo hwe na mu ntu yato na the bonkrata ya so de atodwa se emrahye badwani su hini o se na no emrahye badwam chia me hina no ote adwam jo wise ene e woje ne ho gena na Michael Kwe hia nti papa wa me na bra na wo se
Michael Kwe papa just go nani afi and if you told because some man arrested on call baby crying, they have to let him rest. Sir, that man is a legend, though. One of these days, me can't say legend. What I say, but for that, do cry no watch na hoye juma. Ban for that, no, no, Papa just go one and oh, Papa just go any new. Mamma, Papa just when you know, so serving on the bench for years. It's true, but Papa just go more money in your home. What you get yanum sana JH Mesa what free muko walking encyclopedia for na kan say o se wa bra ho o se wa bra dia retire na say parliament session end the answer 2020 no one retire
nipa what tie adwam ye say aboa ne di ne huhu na we wono tie adwam a say na yesuhini toto ne nsa wo onom no I wonder so betumi aya enti won tena won wanya adwuma no
onye mama papa ne free ebu antu ani si papa no so mama ne free
afia me
na o ye wi o paper no
ba we no sa to butu no to say police for nkan ho afi fire service for nkan ho and ambulance
omuntua to
omunkwanu mu twama munya wo mu
ba V8 for ne de
e wo so omutua people
minister bana motoke de ani mu anu wagina no say metua to
afia ne akwadwofojo kam de enwi ansa ma sori yo
akwadwofojo nya kutia na producer be na wani de
entafo mienu
bitie ada nkedefo za na mte
ya no ayi benya no
so ono nkedo ho no anga so free ho ofree ayi Sumaja hine sumaja
mo ye pamo mo be free kadi afie entafo
mienu me ni dish ye no ye
entafo mienu
wa ha wani poche se de betutu yi wa na nwura
no be ma fi ade na ba afie entafo mienu bi e wo kaneshi abrosan so kaneshi dwa fefe abrosan so ntafo mienu
tafo ho
omo pamade omo na pamentai mame anti akwele
ene omo pam bi mame
omo pam ne mame export kwa abrochire
sa
omo ya guys ene your birthday omo ntafo nyini bomu efe omo ko be 50 years ene omo nyina ya adwuma no
menim ba ko bi wo tema committee omo ya Jehovah Witness for omo nyini ya mabo mere wo mote
omo mate eti anti akwele one version amba nyankopon hyira mo nkoso na mo mpamo ade no Church of Pentecost mu no mo se kwashima yo se he nyame nka mu nyina mu nti afia
Pentecost for them we guy yeah abuja boy dey napon isi anti aseda kese nkoma akua boacho we Adom ne wasofo na wo na naje wo brempon 10 gram one ho fe prophet papa city call smartphones ni Bayport savings salons Second Kings real estate Feco Star spray latex foam Armin Scientific and the Lele sunflower oil Vodafone and it habia no mo de bre very soon ya dane ho ya the corruption watch wana money
6.3 top.
Only God can stop us now.
106.3 FM.
Jim FM 106.3 top.
Only God can stop us now.
106.3 FM.
Jim FM 106.3